you stop, the better. Usually the damage is permanent, but lung function, if you measure regularly, can improve to a certain extent.
Lung damage due to cigarette smoking is permanent, but it is very important to stop as early as possible so that the lung damage will not continue to progress.
So if you stop smoking today, that's good news. The lung function will not rapidly progress to a lousier state with time.
No. Easy. No.
So all cigarettes are toxic. So the advice is that avoid and to stop smoking or don't start at all.
Due to inflammation of the airway, and that inflammation is the one that causes cough.
So when that started, they will have excessive secretion due to inflammation in the airway. So this will irritate the lung and that causing the patient to cough.
The way their mucus production is affected, they may produce more phlegm due to certain exposure to virus, exposure to the environment, to the pollution.
Usually the damage is quite permanent, although patients can be optimized, they can improve to a certain extent. Their lung function can improve a little bit, symptoms can improve a little bit, and with good treatment they can improve to a certain extent.
When the cigarette or the tobacco, when it burned, there are a lot of toxic substances released. When the patient inhale it, and these substances will deposit in the lung and then cause inflammation and damage to the lung and the airways. So this will lead to chronic inflammation, damage, increased secretion.
One of the process that COPD is affected by smoking is prolonged smoking over years. There is destruction of the airway and the air sacs in the lung. So that when the air sacs are destroyed, there is known as emphysema. So these air sacs are used for gas exchange, where the oxygen is being brought in from the environment into your lungs, and where carbon dioxide from your lungs are being removed. So just imagine you have less area involving gas exchange, you have less air sacs. That's when you start to have deficient in oxygen, you start to be breathless easily when you exert yourself.